Hey, what's up, District 3 Toastmasters? My name is Paul Artale. I am a motivational speaker, author, and researcher who helps people find better balance between their personal and professional lives and helps you set up the boundaries you need to make that successful. And I am so excited to be speaking to your district on March 2nd at 6:30 p.m. on the topic of work-life balance, partially based on my book, The 2-Year-Old's Guide to Work-Life Balance, which tells the story of how my young son taught me what the real meaning of work-life balance was. But we're going to get into it. So if you're feeling overwhelmed right now, if you're feeling like your personal life and your professional life are blending into each other, if you just feel like you want to revisit the topic of work-life balance, if you're tired of Zoom fatigue and everything that goes along with it, you need to come to this workshop because I'm going to share very practical tips and strategies for you, how you can, number one, understand what your work-life balance personality style is. Number two is how you can manage your time to fit in all the things you love, such as your family, your hobbies, your work, and Toastmasters in a way that makes sense, in a way that is life-giving for you. And I'm going to throw in some practical strategies on how to manage Zoom in the digital age as well. So please register for the webinar. I am so happy to be doing it. It's going to be live. It's going to be interactive. We're going to be doing things together. So it's not just going to be me speaking over a bunch of slides. And as a bonus, because I love to make my presentations personal to my audience, I want you to go to the website. You can probably see it in my title card right now. It's paulartale.com/contact. So PAULARTALE/contact. And submit any questions you have to me about work-life balance. And when you do, because we're Toastmasters and we love public speaking, I will give you a couple of free gifts. Number one, I will give you 6 articles I've written on how to be a better storyteller and a more powerful storyteller. I will give you a list of 35 opening lines to any speech that you can use if you ever feel stuck. And I'll give you a quick work-life balance checklist as well, some quick strategies for you as you enter your work-life journey and continue on your path. So I will see you all March 2nd. Please submit a question. Thank you so much, District 3. You're awesome, and I'll see you March 2nd.